So manufacturing is hard. Getting everything just right so that it all fits together at the end is a massive challenge for mechanical engineers and manufacturing engineers to make sure it works just right. I mean, first of all, just to get this plastic injection molding to be exactly the right size so the solar panel fits on top, we need high-grade steel to be CNC machined out and then to be put into mass production so that the plastic injection molding comes out just right. We need to constantly tweak it, tune it up, make sure that it's running smoothly when high volume is coming off the tool. Color matching, it can be a nightmare. Master samples, actually, their color changes over time, so you need to use a master color sample that won't change and make sure that you're always mixing all the raw materials just to the right, perfect combination to hit the colors that you need. Getting the cables done is an overmolding process. You've got the wiring on the inside. All of those are soldered onto the tips, are going to connect together, whether those tips be USB-C or anything else. And then you have to overmold that and make sure it stays in place. And you want to make sure it's okay that even when you tug on the cable, the wiring doesn't come apart inside and tear those solder points off. Once you assemble this whole thing together, you need to make sure that you don't allow any water or excess moisture to get through the cracks and get inside and start damaging the internal components. At the same time, you can't have it too tight that when you try to fit it together, you start putting some pressure on the case itself. This is something that we know really well at Solpro, and we partner with great manufacturing partners around the world to make sure we get the best components, to make sure that the quality is top-notch, that inspection on 100% of the product takes place before it goes out, and then we can be confident the product that we're shipping to you is something you're going to be happy with.